Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito Mode in the 4 most popular web browsers on your NOKIA G22. So, the first one, Microsoft Edge. In this web browser, just click here on the tab icon, switch to in private and add a tab. That's it. Now the Google Chrome. Sorry, I have to find it. Okay, there it is. In this web browser, just click here on the three-dot icon or arrow icon if you have any update and choose Incognito tab, and that's it. Okay, the next one, Firefox. Click if you have this welcome screen, just click on the zero mask. If you have any tab open, click on the tab icon, switch to zero mask and click on the plus private. Okay, and the last one, Opera. Click on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the plus. And now in the Incognito Mode, your history, cookies files, completed forms, even learned words from the keyboard will be not saved. That's it, thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment.